Hi guys, so now we're going on a road trip. We are here at Jung Supermarket in Portmore and we're heading to Boots gas station in Drax Hall. Let's go! Well, then, are we gonna sing a song? We have a road trip song?
No.
We gotta rock down to Electric Avenue.
On the wall.
Did they make electric vehicles for road trips? I would say yes, because it's so quiet. You have to make your own music. We're gonna rock down to Electric Avenue, and then we'll take it higher.
Then we'll get another charger.
That's fun. Listen, this hot air thing that we were.
We don't want to turn on the AC and then we can't reach where we're going.
Yeah. Roll the windows down.
The dust. That's why I was waiting to come out of the dust ball.
I don't know if I'm making that up to this one.
I made it from work, come home like this.
It was just you. I'm a hot body. I don't know what she gonna do with me. Adventure time. Yeah, no.
Yes.
We're
I am about 1 minute away from the highway and I have 134 on the dash.
We had 141 after charging for an hour, and now we're almost at the highway and we have 134.
133.
133.
You just missed the highway and you have 134.
Yeah,
133.
133 now.
And how fast you driving?
54.
50 or 60, not below 60. You in eco?
I'm in eco.
You in B mode?
I'm not in B mode, I'm in eco. 132. Alright, let me put it in. I'm gonna put it in B mode now. I'm at 132.
Alright, we're about to start the highway. We'll let you know how this goes. What? We're good. We're gonna go 131. Good.
Spanish Town bypass.
Whoop, 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 whoop.
We're at 117. Alright, about to make our way to the next hill. This is the Big Test Hill.
Whoop, whoop, whoop. Ochi is 64 kilometers away. According to our car, we have 119 kilometers left range. And we need to get 64 out of that. But let's see what this hill does.
It's going to cut it now.
We don't know.
But we should regain going down. Yeah. Because remember we had 117 come up the hill and I got a little regen and bring me back to 190. So it's going to go back down though. The regen don't last long. hopefully this big hill when we start going to Unity Valley, we regain a good amount.
Yeah, then you have to go back up. So you need to go.
It's a little bit up to the toll booth, but then after the toll booth, there's another big going down. So we should be okay to reach the service station. So we're at 118. Just a little slight change in incline. This is the mega hill.
Hill. Oh, that's a yacht. Mega hill.
I don't think I want to go up this in beam. Mexico. What do you think? The beam one?
Yeah. And so the expert driver told him to go but he left Portmore in 20. He made it to have a okay. Driving
Really
at
dropped to
20.
89. If we get over this here at 50, I can't see it. Oh, yeah, you go. It's a dream, it's not reality. You have the record number? Ready up the record number, please. Range anxiety is a real thing, okay?
It's not that real. You need to find
It's
a song.
a
You
real,
need to take a
real,
picture.
real
It's
thing.
up here. So you have a good
40, top of the hill. Let's see how much we get now. We started with what? 90 how much?
96,
I cut it down to 40, so that take
50.
50 kilometers just to go up this hill. First it was about 20 something. This one is 50.
93. Interesting because Ulterius, based on the sand, is actually just 64 kilometers away.
From where we started.
Yeah, from that sign.
So it's probably about 30 something now.
So we used the more almost them
Just on one hill.
range.
So I say it's not, you can't use the range thing. Like,
You can't use the distance, the actual
Oh,
distance
can't.
to estimate the range because it depends on the topography of the land, right?
you use an AC and everything, or you drive. So it's based on energy. We're at 42. And for 60 guys. 59.
See? Oh, you have little babe.
60.
Oh, you up little babe.
Thank you, Lord.
So I'm saying you can exit here and go there and still come back over here.
I think so.
Yes, you can. That's what I made it.
What do they have over here? Just the bathroom?
So over there you have the convenience store. Then you come back up here and
61. So guys, our estimation not so bad, right? So we need to get to the top of the hill and have 40 or no less than 35. Okay, we got most of the region coming down here, right there roundabout now. I'm gonna take a picture.
Take a picture now.
At the end of the highway, we're at 69.
Ah, you're at 69. Look at you. Fun stuff. Of an adventure to get here. We finally made it to Drax Hall to Boot service station. Here's the charger.
So we're here at Boot service station with Mr. Gordon from JPS. Thank you for having us, sir.
Oh, you're welcome.
And it's a pleasure to look at your first public charger with fast or rapid charging. And we're going to test it out on our Leaf here. But can you first tell us about this public charger?
Yeah, so this is a 50 kilowatt public charger. It has two DC plugs of two different standards and one AC plug. Each DC plug is able to deliver 50 kilowatts each, and it has the standards charge demo, popular for Japanese vehicles, as well as the European standard combined CCS Type 2. And on the extreme left is what's known as a Menenkes, also a European standard. It's an AC plug. That's used for persons who want to convert from that standard to other standards like American, or persons who happen to have the European standard on their vehicles.
Okay, so it's safe to say then that most of the electric vehicles on sale today should be able to use one of these plugs at the charge station. Okay.
Users will sign up on an app, and once you have signed up and registered your credit card to the app, then you're able to use the charger via the app. There'll also be RFID cards which will be supplied, and that's also an alternative to use, to swipe, to basically gain access to your account to charge your vehicle.
I noticed that it has an emergency stop on it, so some safety features are built in already.
Yeah.
Okay.
So emergency stop is used for, it's a soft stop as we call it. Anything that may occur, any glitch, or even any emergency, the emergency push button stop can be used, and then just simply reset by the user. So yeah, so we'll have three chargers of this type in this phase installed across the island: Kingston, Center, and Montego Bay. And then we have 7 level 2 chargers, AC chargers with 2 plugs installed across the island in this initial phase.
Okay.
And those they are rated at 7 and 11 kilowatts.
Okay, sounds great, Mr. Gordon. And I'm sure when everything is up and running, the public will be aware of how to use it and the costs associated.
Yeah.
And it should be cheaper than purchasing gas, right?
Yes, it is. Operating an electric vehicle is cheaper than operating a gasoline vehicle.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Gordon.
Yeah,
and thanks for having us again. Let's stay plugged in, Jamaica.